Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MSSTEALTH 16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MSSTEALTH 16 is experiencing a battery that dies within just 10 minutes, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of reasons, such as battery wear or faulty connections. If left unresolved, it can severely impact your productivity and the overall lifespan of your device. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a replacement battery compatible with the MSI MSSTEALTH 16, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. First, ensure that your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, static-free surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the back panel carefully, making sure to keep track of the screws as you go. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this can damage the casing. After opening the device, you will need to locate the battery. It's typically situated near the center of the motherboard. Look for any connectors attached to it. Carefully disconnect these cables, ensuring you do not pull on them too hard. Once you have disconnected the battery, you can remove it from its compartment. Take your replacement battery and insert it in the same location, ensuring that it sits snugly in place. Reconnect the cables, taking care to position them exactly as they were before. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, you can replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. Before you power up your device, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is connected properly. Turn the MSI MSSTEALTH 16 back on and monitor the battery performance. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you regularly calibrate your battery and avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods when fully charged. This will help maintain battery health over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.